Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in. This is my first order for an Easter basket for a little boy. I managed to procure 2 orders during my Valentine's sales. Mom wanted Thomas and Friends for her son, so I started by placing the jumbo Thomas and Friends coloring book in the bag. In front of that, I placed a small packet of coloring pages as well as stickers that comes with markers. We have a bubble stick, and this is the wand that you can blow bubbles with. And I placed a gumball machine as well as a paddle with the ball in the front. Mom didn't want too much candy, so I put 2 Kit Kats that I floated over from Valentine's Day, as well as a bag of Cheez-Its and a bag of animal crackers. I'll be placing some jelly beans in the eggs on top, as well as some popcorn. And there are 2 jumbo marshmallow candies in the bag. So I will be getting this wrapped up here soon and getting it ready to go. I hope you like this basket. Please tell me what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. Be blessed and be a blessing.